In this video, we will create HubSpot account, application, and connect it with n8n via credentials. First, let's Google HubSpot to go to a HubSpot CRM platform page. I intentionally creating account from scratch to show you the whole process. Input your personal data, your email, phone number, company name, and website URL. Doesn't matter what you choose here. Now you can create account and you have 14 days of free access. And you land on this page. Go to your profile, click Profile and Preferences, click Private Apps under Account Management tab and Integration sub-tab. Click Create a Private App, give it some name and description, give it a logo. Then click Scopes. You will need at least one scope, add new scope. Just to not miss anything, select all available scopes. Accept sensitive, click Update and click Create App. Click Continue Creating. This will create your application with access token. Go to n8n on the HubSpot node, click Create New Credential. Click Connect My Account under OAuth 2. You will be asked to connect your account, choose it. And here you will see a set of permissions that the application is requesting. So you should give these permissions to your app. Click Connect App. You will see a message that the connection is successful. And in n8n platform, you will see this green message that your account has been connected. Now, if you go to Connected Apps in your HubSpot, you will see a new connection, n8n Cloud, which means integration happened successfully. In this way, you can create and connect your HubSpot account to your n8n platform. We teach this and many other things useful for business in our Blackthorn Academy course. Find it in the description to this video. See ya!